Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Shopify store in Saudi Arab, or if you are in any related country. So we're really easy. All you need to do is simply head over to Shopify, and from there start by your online store. So this is how it looks currently. Let me show you. So let me zoom in a bit. Alright, so this is how our store currently looks. I hope you can see everything, and we have our home catalog and contact and everything. So let me go back and show you how you can add your products. Head over to products, add product from top right side. So all of these features are available. Now you can get 3 months Shopify for just $1. Head over to the link in the description below and avail that offer. You can see we have all these features showing up in here. So yeah, this is literally it, and it is really simple to use. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.